Let's check out the new DJI Mic Mini 2. And this is the newest upgraded version of the original DJI Mic Mini. By the way, I also have the original one, so I have been using this one as my main microphone for pretty much the past year, and I absolutely love it. The sound quality of it is great, size is great, functions are great, and also the price is absolutely awesome on these things. Also, this is bare version unit for the DJI Mic Mini. You can also get them in a kit with basically a receiver for your camera, and also these newest receivers for your mobile phone as well. But I have the bare version here. So for this one I paid literally only 30 euros, and that was also with free shipping directly from the DJI website. So let's check out what we actually get here. Also in this video we are going to compare them side by side as well against the original one as well. So okay. So we're actually getting fairly decent packaging on it. Very nice case with it. So this is a case of the DJI Mic Mini. So it appears identical case. They haven't actually changed the case. Looks and feels the same. So we have first our cable here. So this is a charger cable. This one does appear slightly different compared to the original one. Okay, now let's see what else we have here. Yeah, as you see, very nice case quality here. Okay, and this appears our microphone here. Packaging is absolutely insanely good on this one. Okay, so you see just how insanely tiny it is. And this here it's not black anymore, but this like transparent case. So we have the capsule probably there, pairing button, power button here, charging ports, and the magnetic base. Also, we can actually remove these covers from these. So you see, you can actually change these covers on these microphones as well. So inside the box, it appears we also are getting 2 of these covers. And this is what it looks like with a black cover. Yeah, when it comes to the design, this looks absolutely awesome in my opinion. And also you can get these covers in multiple different colors as well. I think like 10 different colors they have that you can basically get if you pay a bit more basically for them. So you see, it simply has got these tiny magnets here, so it simply snaps on like this and it's very secure. So also let's compare the design of the new one versus the old one. As you see, the new one actually appears tiny bit larger than the old one. So that's kind of interesting. So on the top, I see also slightly different. So on this side, I see they also have moved around the button position. So they are on this side now. Okay, and on the base, I see, yeah, the design appears totally different on these. I thought they will be similar, but nope, these appear totally different. Okay. And also on the back, they're also completely different. So you see on the new one, this is basically what you can get in the minimum version. On the old one, basically we have this clip here that we actually can't remove. So you see, definitely thicker. Okay, and on this new one, there are 2 different ways how we can attach it. So as you see, we are getting this magnet, so we can actually simply snap it on, and basically you basically place this under your shirt or jumper simply. And again, the strength is absolutely insane on this thing. So it's mega strong actually. And the second way is you can also attach this clip here. So you see, you can also clip it. And also we can flip it over like this as well, you see. And this also is slightly magnetic, it appears. So you see, you can also attach it like this. But the strength isn't that huge basically when you actually use it like this. So if you want to attach it with a magnet, simply remove this and simply use this. This is incredibly strong. Also, let's compare the old. I think the new one is actually stronger magnet, definitely than the old one. So yeah, actually very good system appears on this new one. And also we are getting one dead cat as well, with it included, so for your wind noise reduction. And also the attaching mechanism also is completely different on this one compared to the old one. So it actually, yeah, attaches very easily here. On the old one it was quite fiddly to actually attach this, so definitely much better system actually on this new one. Also, let's check out all the new features we are getting on this microphone as well. First, if you actually connect it to your phone, make sure to download this app called DJI Mimo app, so you can actually configure it. Yeah. So once you open it, click this microphone here on the bottom, click set mic, and you see you can configure pretty much everything here. First, as you see, we can actually adjust the gain here, so up to plus 12 decibels or up to minus 12. Or also -6 or +6. So if you want to essentially increase the volume of the microphone or also decrease it if it's recording too loud. Also, we have two different modes of noise reduction as well. So you can even like get rid of any background noises like wind blowing or stuff like that. And also a completely brand new feature on this one compared to the original one is we can also enhance our voice. So if you basically want to post-process your voice, if you want to enhance it, basically make it sound richer or brighter essentially. And again, so these actually like provide very notable boost in the sound quality. So I actually suggest you to try out these as well. Also, if you go in the here in the more settings, as you see, you can also, for example, disable the microphone LED light here, auto feature, and also the clipping control. So if for some reason you basically start to overblow the microphone, again, it can basically reduce the peaks and save your audio essentially. So again, this is absolutely phenomenal feature. We have this feature also on the original one. And again, I always make sure it's enabled. So again, you can pretty much never destroy your audio basically, no matter how loud you actually talk or basically any peaks. Again, it simply gets rid of everything. And also let me show you multiple different ways how you can actually connect it to any device. First, if you want to connect it to a smartphone, I highly suggest to actually get this receiver. So this is absolutely fantastic, and I only use this with a smartphone essentially. So yeah, you simply plug this in, you have the pairing button and they instantly pair. Also, this microphone can be also connected directly to Bluetooth as well, so without any like receiver as well. So if you simply go in your Bluetooth settings, you can pair it directly. And also you can get these, yeah, with this kind of receiver as well. That is kind of more advanced. Not only you can use this with a camera, but also with a phone as well. So you see, you can also plug it in a phone. But the negative is, so you see how absolutely massive this thing is. So I absolutely hate using it with phone, and I absolutely love this. So I never use it with a phone. Advantage of this one is we can actually adjust the gain basically on the device. We do not need app as well. And if you, for example, want to connect it to camera, this is what you need to do. First, on this receiver, you simply turn it on. Okay, so you see it's on, and then you simply press and hold this pairing button here. I see it starts to blink like this, and then again, we also need to click and hold this pairing button here on this microphone. You'll see it will start to blink, and it's connected. So you see, once it's constant, green, that means it's connected. And then we can take this. You are going to need a cable, and then simply find where you have the microphone cable on your camera. So this is a Sony camera here, and you simply plug it in and we can start using it. So you see, yeah, basically it will work straight away. And next also let's check out the sound quality of this bad boy. So you see, I have it clipped right over here, and this is what it sounds like when I'm talking without any noise reduction. So again, completely off everything. And I have the regular preset. So I do not have the boost or the bright, but we're also going to check that out. Also, when it comes to range, it's 400 meters. At this price, to get 400 meter range, that's absolutely ridiculous in my opinion. So if you need to go somewhere with this microphone, Even though this is much cheaper than the other DJI microphones, it doesn't really have any problems whatsoever, and the signal stability is absolutely awesome. Also, this microphone has got very good noise reduction as well, so also let's test that. Currently I do not have any noise reduction whatsoever, so this is what it sounds like in fairly urban environment. I also have a bunch of birds chirping there, so listen. Okay, a quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now I have the noise reduction set on low. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now we have the noise reduction on the high. So this is the highest possible level. You can set your noise reduction at. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now again I have the noise reduction completely disabled. Also, let's test out the new voice presets as well, that you can essentially use to enhance your voice and how it sounds like. So currently I do not have anything on, and this is how it sounds, yeah, just by default. And now I have the voice preset on the rich mode. In this mode, it should boost your voice, basically the oomph of your voice, and make you sound probably much better as well. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now we have the bright mode enabled. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. So again, we currently have the bright mode on the DJI Mic Mini 2. Also, let's quickly compare the sound quality of the new DJI Mic Mini versus the original DJI mic. So currently I'm speaking in the Mic Mini 2 in the same setup as I was previously. By the way, previously I was recording on roughly 10 times more expensive microphone. So not a wireless microphone, but like a dedicated microphone. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now I'm speaking in the original DJI Mic Mini version 1 in the same setup. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now again I'm speaking on the DJI Mic Mini 2, and this is how I sound like compared to the DJI Mic original one. Also, when it comes to battery life, I see we are getting roughly 8 hours of recording time. For the price, I think that's absolutely insanely good as well. And once more we have the slightly older DJI Mic Mini 1. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. So I'm speaking roughly maybe like 15 centimeters away from this microphone, pretty much directly inside. Also, I have the wind muffs on both of them, so for extra plosive protection. And once more, we are on the new DJI Mic Mini 2, but also I have enabled the new rich mode, so for the voice preset. Again, on the original DJI Mic Mini we can't do that, so again this is completely new feature, only for the Mic Mini version 2. Also, let's quickly check out the Bluetooth mode as well on this microphone. So currently I have connected this microphone directly to my phone without any adapter over Bluetooth. So with the original DJI Mic Mini, so the first version, the Bluetooth mode in my opinion was completely unusable. It was absolute garbage. If you basically connected directly to your phone, again the signal was very bad, sound quality was incredibly bad, and also it was cutting out all the time. But yeah, let's simply test how this actually performs. So maybe like 10 meters away I'm from my phone. When it comes to range, I'm not sure how well it is. I haven't tested, so simply let's see. Maybe like 30 meters now from my phone. Let's go over here. Maybe like 40 meters now. I'm not sure if you are still hearing me, but yeah, a quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. Also, I will go here behind the tree. Yeah, on the original one, basically it wasn't even working, maybe like 10 meters away. So again, it is absolute trash. But yeah, let's see how it actually works on this new guy and if it's actually any good. So as you saw, the new DJI Mic Mini is absolutely fantastic when it comes to Bluetooth mode. Again, on the original DJI Mic Mini, the Bluetooth mode is completely unusable, and again, it's completely trashly. So I never use it because the sound quality is so incredibly bad on it. It cuts out, and range is very bad, so it's like pretty much useless in the Bluetooth mode. But essentially, this microphone you can connect directly to your phone. As long as the distance isn't too huge, it will work without even any adapters. So as you saw, no problems whatsoever. So yeah, I think that's absolutely massive upgrade, at least for me, as I primarily use this microphone only with my smartphone instead of camera. So I record primarily these videos with a smartphone only. Anyway, so I actually do not need to use this receiver then. I can connect directly. So how cool is that? Also on this new guy, this dead cat also appears much higher quality and much nicer also looking. And when you check the look of the microphones and see also this looks super nice this year. And also, yeah, the magnet definitely also, in my opinion, absolutely very huge upgrade. So on the old one, essentially, if you basically wanted to clip on a jacket that was maybe a bit too thick, so maybe like half centimeter thickness. Again, I wasn't actually confident at times if this won't fall off. It's still very strong. If you simply have like a t-shirt or shirt, it's perfectly fine. But if you have thick jacket, then obviously I was kind of worried all the times. But with this one, so with this super strong magnet, it's insanely strong. So it can basically pull through even like very thick fabric as well. So yeah, if you're wondering if you should maybe upgrade to the new DJI Mic Mini. So if you need the Bluetooth mode and also need stronger magnet and those basically extra presets for voice, then again, this is absolutely awesome microphone. So yeah, I can actually still highly suggest. But if you do not have already the new DJI Mic Mini, if you are looking at a wireless microphone, then again, this is pretty much the best value for money microphone you can get. I literally paid only 30 euros for this thing. Again, I purchased this myself, unlike others. So I see there are a bunch of videos online where DJI sent these microphones to a lot of people. But again, so I purchased this myself. And yep, I can actually highly suggest this microphone. Out of any wireless microphone, especially affordable ones, this really is the best you can get. No other microphone comes close. And really for the average person, again, I do not think you should even spend more on their more expensive microphones. So this is already so incredibly good. So it works with phones very good, with cameras, battery life is good, excellent sound quality, range very good, excellent features. So really, I see no point basically spending like $200 on other DJI microphones when this one is already so good. I think DJI has shot themselves in foot by making this microphone actually too good for the price. So yeah, absolutely awesome guy. Okay,